Alright, I'm gonna show you how you can actually create issues. There is creating the issues in company managed project, in the team managed project. This is the company managed project. So either you click on the create issue right here. This is where you change your issue types. Right now I have the subtask, but that doesn't matter. And I'm going to say issue 1. That is how you can create the issue. The another way you can create the issue is on your keyboard, you hit C, and there we go, summary, issue 2. Click on create. That's it, the issue has been created. Because this is Scrum, I actually need to add it to the sprint in order for it to be visible. That's one. The another thing is, if you want to create more issues than one, you actually check this box where it says create another. I'm going to say issue 3. Then it's going to be there, one issue is created, issue 4. That is done. It's saying 2 issues have been created. That's it. That is one of the ways you can actually create the issues in team managed projects. Then in company managed projects, now we go back to the team managed projects. Same thing. I'm gonna say team 1. I'm gonna press C. I have also team 2. That's it, the issue has been created. I click on create. I say team 3. That's it, the issue has been created. There is also one trick that you can do as well, is when you go for creating all the issues, you can this wasn't the actual thing that I wanted to do. So what you can actually do, well, it was there before, that you can create issues if you actually line them up here, right? So if you try to line them up here, now it didn't work. Issue 1, no. So that it doesn't seem to work anymore, but it was available before, where you can actually categorize them within the rows, and how many rows you actually create. That is how many issues get created as well. That is how you create issues in Jira. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. See ya. Bye.